Let's discuss about the financial service sectors with the growth story of India.
Financial services refers to a range of specialized services offered by institutions primarily dealing with money. These institutions include commercial banks, insurance companies, mutual funds, investment banks, and so on. The financial services sector serves as the backbone for any rising or modern economy, and it is indispensable for the growth of a nation. Massive competition in the sector today is offering lucrative career opportunities for young Indian students in future.
Financial services is one of the fastest growing industry. According to the Economic Times, this industry's market share in Indian capital markets has grown from around 6% to 24% from 2001 to 2021. Despite this considerable growth, there is still a lot of potential given the digital advancement and financial technologies which are rapidly transforming this sector. Finally, financial services is at the cusp of a substantial change, and it is set to grow out rapidly till 2035 with the given increased government attention to financial inclusion and digital adoption.
Financial services industry is growing at a CAGR of 9.9% globally, which is accounting for 11.5% of GDP worldwide. What took 100+ years for Western economies to open banking access to common citizens with the amount of technology and computing power in our hands will be a fraction for the emerging economies. The relevance of 74% FDI in insurance sector from 49% in India is opening the doors to the insurance companies to tap the untapped market, which is having only 1.3% insured people, where we have 130 billion population in India.
India is the most vibrant economy worldwide, supported by the financial service sector as a backbone of economy. India is expected to be the fourth largest private wealth market globally by 2028. If I talk about the mutual fund industry, AMC by the 2021 is holding somewhere around 33 lakhs crore and expected to be 95 lakhs crore by 2025 as reported by the Association of Mutual Fund of India. India mobile wallet industry is estimated to grow at CAGR of 150% to raise $4.4 billion in 2022. If I talk about the derivative segments and their turnover, if I compare with this year, financial year 2021 with the financial year 2020, the overall derivative industry turnover was $72 billion. In 2021, if we compare with the last year, it was around $49 billion, which is a significant jump in the turnover in derivative segment. Shake hand with Voxen University in building the growth story of Indian financial service sector.